model, 2008 Nissan Cabstar 34.11S Swb Flatbed Dropside Tail Lift runs and drives. Body, white, flatbed. Mileage, 119,785. Engine, 2488 ccYD 25/110 bhp. Transmission, 5-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well through all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van and with only a little bit of TLC to get it through or MOT it will be back in tip-top condition. Features, 3 former keepers, electric windows, tailift in working order, tow bar. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more.